Alright guys, hi, welcome to my channel. This is Cleara Nashay back in the building with another video for you guys. So as you can see, my hair is different. It's not natural. I've got these beautiful box braids that I did on myself. I did mean to record it, but what had happened was I was doing it late at night because I work during the day. I don't have a ring light. However, my ring light is on the way, so I can start filming at night and have the freedom to start filming whenever I want. But yeah, I did these box braids on my own, and I just want to show you guys a few different hairstyles you can do with box braids instead of just wearing it down. Just get creative and get fun with it for certain nights. I mean, I know we're in this quarantine, so we're not going anywhere right now. But as soon as this quarantine is over, we're gonna step out. It's gonna be summertime, it's gonna be great. Yeah, anyways, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to stay updated with my videos. It's either gonna be right here or right here, somewhere down here. Yeah, and let's get into this video. That was it. Those were a few different hairstyles that you can get creative with and, you know, kind of mess with a little bit to see what really fits, you know, you and what you like best. But those are hairstyles I've played around with my box braids. Of course, you can get creative and make up more. Those were a few hairstyles. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, you guys stay safe during this quarantine. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. Make sure you find something new to do if you aren't working. If you haven't already, in the beginning of this video, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, do what you want. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.